together with Karen. So now guys, we have a new boots today to wear. See? Very nice. Are you excited to use these boots today?
I'm always excited.
Yes. So now we go there to the kids guys to get the chicken to slaughter. So come here. Oh my God. My gosh. It's my first time to wear this boot, so I don't really know how to use this. Ay, motor ka rin. My gosh. My gosh. Karen. Don't squeeze the net. Oh my goodness, you're so mean. So, this is for you. Don't cry. And this is for me. See guys? Wow. Look at the color. Very nice. See? It's curly. Wow. Hello to get chicken. Today is your lucky day, okay? I'm gonna kill you today. Oh my gosh. Wow. Why? It's like that's hard for you to wear that. It's hard or no?
It's hard.
You're gonna be expert to use that soon because this is our new outfit. So, chicken, I will kill you first, okay? Ah! Oh my gosh, you want to fly? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You show to me that, you know, because, no. It's okay. I will kill you. No matter how you show to me that you have a very beautiful feather and wings, I still gonna kill you, okay? Oh, that, you're shaking. So, this is the knife to cut your neck, and I have to sharp it first. Okay, chicken? It's done, guys. See?
Ayo.